breakfast here at Skyline, it's really about the power of community, about the power of possibility. We have so many community members, alumni. They come together early in the morning to hear stories of inspiration, stories of innovation, and stories of impact. So honored and inspired by the faculty, classified professionals, and more. I hope you come and join us next time. It's a wonderful event. It's just a beautiful college and a great community.